In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a discount code for your products in the Digital Course Hive. First, you're going to want to go to Store, then you're going to want to go to Discounts. This will pull up a list of discounts that you currently have and tell you when it is valid from, valid to, and any other details. You can click the green Add Discount button up here to the top to add a discount code. There are 3 different ones that you can add. You can do a flat discount, which will give them, for example, $10 off, a percentage discount, which will give them 10% off, or a free shipping discount code, which will give them free shipping for your physical products. Under each type of discount, the settings will be very much the same. The discount name is for internal purposes for naming your discount code. For example, spring promotion. The discount code is the actual code that they will use to claim their discount. For example, this could be spring. You can click to allow with other discounts or not allow with other discounts. You can also click to apply automatically. This means that it will automatically apply for either member groups, if your member is logged in and a part of particular member groups, for products in specific categories or particular products. So you can go through and click exactly which one it will automatically apply for. If you click on this apply automatically, it will run every single time if you have a subscription item. So for example, if you have something that is $20 a month and you're offering 10% off, it will give it 10% off every single month during their subscription. Next, this is where you say exactly what kind of discount you want. Maybe you want $10 off or 10% off. Next, you choose valid from which date and valid to. You can leave this blank for it to always be valid. And then you can apply discount for all orders, orders over a certain amount, member groups, products in particular categories, and then particular products. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'm happy to answer.